Hi there, folks. Let's take a look at question number 6 on the grade 7 Gauss paper from 2005. At a class party, each student randomly selects a wrapped prize from a bag. The prizes include books and calculators. There are 27 prizes in the bag. Megan is the first to choose a prize. If the probability of Megan choosing a book for her prize is 2 out of 3, how many books are in the bag? So 2 out of every 3 tries to draw a prize from the bag of 27 prizes, she should get a book. Okay. Well, there's nothing to suggest that any of the books or calculators or any of the prizes is more likely than any of the others. So this is what we call an equiprobable space. Basically, everything has equal probability. Now, this wouldn't necessarily be the case in real life, because some books would be bigger and we'd reach in, and so a really big fat book would have a more chance of being chosen than a tiny little calculator. But there's nothing in the question to indicate that. So we're just going to assume every prize is equally likely. And when every prize is equally likely, we have a nice little formula for probability. So this only works if everything's equally likely. Lots of times, especially in upper year contests, the probability of everything will not be equally likely. For example, the probability of getting, say, a 6 on a dice is not as equal as getting an odd number on a dice. And so if those were the outcomes you were looking at, they're not equal probability. Anyway, when you do have equal probability, when everything's equally likely to be chosen, there's a nice little formula, the number of the desired outcomes, so in this case, getting a book, over the total number of outcomes. So that's getting any prize. Now we know the probability is 2/3, and we know the total number of outcomes each of the 27 prizes could happen, and now we just want to know B, the number of books. Well, looks like we have an equation with one unknown. We can rearrange and solve for that. Okay, so we multiply by 27 on both sides. So 27 times 2/3 is going to be the same as B. Now, if you need to, grab your calculator, or you can say 27 divided by 3 is 9. So B is 9 times 2. So B is going to be 18. Okay? Alternatively, you could have said, well, the number of books is going to be 2/3 the total number of prizes. And so what's 2/3 of 27? 18. But either way, we get our final answer. Okay, now we just need to go back and look in our multiple choice responses. Which one has 18? There it is, all the way at the end, it's E. So, on our Scantron, on our bubble sheet, we would just bubble in E. We wouldn't think any more of it. Do make sure to bubble in your Scantrons, because that's where you get the marks, not circling things in the booklet. I'll see you guys for question number 7 in the next video. Thanks for watching.